In the previous video, we covered account registration and store linking. Today, we will focus on a core function, how to achieve one-click product sourcing. The entire process starts on our official website. Please visit NHDropshipping.com and navigate to the Find Products page. Here, the system provides 3 efficient sourcing channels. Ni Hao Jewelry. This is our self-operated flagship store, offering a wide range of highly competitive products. AliExpress. This section connects directly to the AliExpress product catalog. You simply need to authorize access using your AliExpress store email to start selecting products here. Curated Collection. This is a carefully selected collection of popular categories and bestsellers, helping you quickly identify market trends. Next, let's use Ni Hao Jewelry as an example to demonstrate the specific product selection and sourcing process. Upon entering the page, you'll see the All Categories bar at the top, allowing you to filter products by categories like jewelry or apparel. You can also use the keyword search or utilize the image search function for added convenience. The filter on the right side of the page enables more precise searching with additional criteria. Here comes the most crucial step. When you hover your mouse over a product card you're interested in, 3 action options will appear. Option 1. View Details. Clicking this takes you to the product detail page. The layout is clear. Product information is on the left, and the listing settings are on the right. Here, you can select specific SEAs and view the corresponding product price and shipping costs for different order quantities. Purchase Inventory. Directly purchase the product, minimum 5 pieces. Suitable for sellers who need to stock up in advance. Sync to Product List. Link the product directly to your store. Add to Import List. Save the product to your pending list for later processing. Option 2. Sync to Product List. This is the core function for one-click sourcing. Clicking it opens a setup window with a simple 3-step process. Select Store. Choose the target store where you want to list the product. Pricing Settings. Set your selling price based on the cost price, either by adding a fixed amount or using a multiplier. You can choose to include shipping or not, and the system will automatically calculate shipping costs to the target country. Alternatively, you can directly apply our recommended smart price. Category Management. Set categories and tags for the product for easier management later. Click Link to Store, and the product will be automatically synced to your Shopify back. Option 3. Already on Import List. This function acts like a product selection cart, allowing you to batch save products you're interested in. You can then manage and list them all later from the pending section within your import list. To summarize, today's video detailed the 3 main sourcing channels and the 3 primary product sourcing operations on the Find Products page. In our next video, we will delve deeper into customizing your linked products and how to process orders. Subscribe us, and thank you for watching.